So this is from 2 mangoes and sugar. So sugar depends upon the sourness of the mangoes. I will be adding about 2 to 4 according to the taste of the mangoes. So if you want to make the chatpata style, you may add some black pepper, some black salt and some salt. It will be a chatpata style. So it's very easy to prepare it. So let's see the procedure for preparing it. With the ingredients, the procedure is also the same. Very easy to prepare and simple. I'm going to pour the mango pulp to the pan, and we have to do nothing but cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes, nothing else. And I'm going to add some sugar to it. So this much will be fine for this much amount. So preparing it is very easy. We are going to cook it for about some time until it's very thick, because the thicker it is, the faster it will get set. So we are going to cook the same way until it's thick, which may take around 5 to 10 minutes depending upon the water of the mango. And please don't add any water while you are preparing the mango pulp, which will increase the amount of time while preparing it. So make sure you don't add any water. So we are going to do the same way. So it has been around 5 to 6 minutes since I am cooking it. Now I think it's pretty much thick, but I am going to check it whether it's thick or not for the papads. I mean Aam Papdas. I am going to take it into a small plate and let it rest for about 5 to 6 seconds until it's a little bit cool, so that we can test it whether it's done or not. So you may see the quantity also, it has been reduced somewhat, but I think it will be needing some more cooking. So now let's test it. I have here, I'm going to take it in my finger and test it. It's a little bit hot as well as it's sticking, but I'm going to cook for about 2 more minutes so that it prepares very easy, fast. I mean, the more you cook, the faster the Aam Papdas will be ready. You may see its consistency also. Now it has been around 8 minutes since I am cooking this. It's very thick now, and it's very good consistency for the Aam Papdas. Now we are going to set it. So I have a big plate and I have greased it well with some clarified butter. Now if you want to give some flavoring to the Aam Papad, you may proceed with some elaichi, that's cardamom, but totally optional. So now as I have cooked it for about 8 to 9 minutes, the mango is very thick, and I think it will set very fast. So make sure you get most out of it, and we don't want it to spread very thin. For now we are going to spread it very thick, but later on it will thin little bit also. So shake them well. So I try to spread it with my fingers very nicely. So make sure you keep it somewhat thick, about 1 to 2 centimeters, so that it will also, the moisture of the papads, I mean the moisture of the mango will also dry out when it's drying. So make sure you keep it somewhat thick. Now I'll try to level it nicely, and if you are keeping it at the night, make sure you cover it and keep it, and it also dries in the air. It's not that it will only dry in the sunlight. So let's wait until it's done.
So after a wait of 24 hours, our Aam Papda is ready, as well as it looks very delicious right now. 24 hours as in I made it around 10 o'clock, and then at morning 10 o'clock I kept in the sun and brought it back at 6 o'clock. So you can say it's 24 hours or something like that, but make sure it's dried. You can check like this, you can peel it off once, and if it peels off, it's ready. So It looks little lumpy and bumpy, but you can do a better job than me spreading it out very nicely. So I'm going to peel it off. I fasten up the process of peeling. It's very easy to prepare, even I mean peel even. You just need to take help of knife at places, because at some places it was little bit thin, that's why it has stuck to the places, but you can take help of knife and take it out. Commercially they use pectin and citric acid to prepare this, but we are preparing without any of those, and it will be even tasting better than the commercial ones. So it has come out. Now I am going to cut it. So I am going to cut the sides first so that it looks presentable. I am cutting the sides and then we are going to cut. You can cut it as per your preference, small, big, how you want it to be. As well as if you want to add some food color, proceed with some red color or orange color, and you will get a very good color in it. That even looks good. But sometimes the flavor of the color has a little bit taste, which spoils the taste of aam papda or any dish that you add to it. Little bit of taste is spoiled. So I'm preparing without any color, without any flavorings. It tastes heavenlicious without even flavorings even. So now I've cut it down the sides. I know it's not even at all, but I'm going to cut into smaller pieces now. So can cut into your preference, I said earlier. So it was so delicious, I could not resist myself, and I tasted one piece. So it's not necessary to cut even the sides, even you can cut it as it is, and even you can cut it first and then peel off. Either one procedure can be done. So it's ready. I'm going to serve it now. As well as I could not resist, I'm tasting another one. So it's very delicious. You could see me eating. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more of cooking, and do let me know how it turned out to be. It is one of the most favorite dishes of mine. As well as make sure you add lots of sugar to it. If you don't add lots of sugar to it, then what can happen is it may not be too sweet. And eating aam papda, there is a slogan like the mouth should be sweet when you eat it. So make sure you add loads of sugar to it. As well as you can serve it upside down if you are not smooth spread it nicely. So thank you for watching.